Eh, you see me I said that. Eh,
Hey, Sheldon. How you doing, man? Did you get the check I sent for the funeral expenses? It came through the ministry.
somebody forwarded that check, yes?
Good. I'll make sure I clear my schedule that I am available for the day, alright? Can't miss that funeral.
Yo, send back that, you know.
What? Why?
Yo, good enough, minister. We will deal with it, man.
Sheldon, you don't have to be proud, man. Times are rough right now and it's my pleasure to help. There's no shame in accepting the help. It's genuine.
Hear me, sir, brother. We want to sustain the life of our community. Hear that? We don't want to come bury with them. We will deal with that.
You know what is sad? Many times you people complain that politicians don't do enough. And yet still when we try to help, we are met with resistance.
Yo, road work, job opportunities, outreach program, and them things them want to help with. And don't just help when up near election time, brother. That may I tell you.
Why you all keep singing the same tune?
Because it seems like the same rhythm on always a play. You see me? And it probably if I loop or a scratch now. But hear me as a minister. We go over here, you hear that? Me and my family. I'm gonna live with Uncle Joe, you hear that? What you need to do, have to make the police and find who pull the trigger and bring him to justice. Or else we have to bring him to justice, you hear that?
Okay, Sheldon, I hear you. But let the record show that I extended my help at this particular time.
Yeah. I make the record show say me refuse it. You see me? Matter of fact, you know, minister. But depend on a quick move, you know. You hear that?
See them style.
I tell you, bro. See, clear, man.
I don't understand. I'm soon see things my way. I'm soon see things my way.
Them only want to help people when them in a desperation. That's when them run in, them feel like so owe them something.
Them not tell a big bro. Fool them take go for you now.
You know what we need to do? Locate the boys, kill it. Can't load it up. Yeah, man, so forward. I pick up Pink Pass and head to the airport.
So, differently, how I going to Pink Pass?
Look like two Xpressionz soldiers them here send them on the ground. And we don't get the info so them a plan to move to him while them a go to the airport. So I have to move swift.
So, our cars are like that now.
Come like you have shallow memory or something. If you got a Pink Pass shoot up Speng little nephew.